Appliance bank power and storage ideas let big families run multiple electric cookers safely and efficiently. Design an appliance garage sized for large, programmable multi-cook appliances with spaced outlets rated for inrush current and a dedicated circuit to prevent nuisance tripping. Place outlets at upper and lower shelf levels so slow cookers sit below while pressure cookers and multi-cookers occupy mid-shelves for easy access. Use ventilation panels or a small ducted exhaust fan to remove heat and humidity when several devices run simultaneously, and leave a clearance of at least 4 inches around each unit for airflow and heat dissipation. Build shelving with integrated cord channels and hook-style cord wraps so cords do not tangle or drape across counters, and label each cord with the appliance name and a preset cook profile to speed setup. Include a central timer station with smart plugs or a mechanical multi-outlet timer so staggered start and stop times avoid simultaneous power spikes while maintaining unattended batch schedules. Finally, plan for future expansion by leaving space and wiring capacity for at least 2 additional appliances and by mounting a clearly labeled subpanel or junction box for easy electrician access. The 3 most common mistakes are underestimating electrical load, poor ventilation, and disorganized cords. If you do not plan circuits and rely on general counter outlets, you will overload household wiring. So, have a licensed electrician map estimated simultaneous loads and install a dedicated circuit or multiple circuits with appropriate amperage. Many homeowners store appliances in closed cabinets without airflow, which raises internal temperatures and shortens device life. So, incorporate passive vents or an inline fan that runs when appliances are active. Tangled or trailing cords create trip hazards and make switching devices tedious, so use integrated cord channels, individual cord wraps, and clear labels so anyone can swap or start an appliance quickly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover project ideas, find local contractors, and share real-world tips for appliance bank installations and circuit planning. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners and host a discussion community where we and others exchange installation strategies, checklist templates, and lessons learned.